Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
Simple phrases to learn English with parents. Simple phrases to learn English with parents. Let's read a book. Let's read a book. Clean up your toys. Clean up your toys. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Please sit down. Please sit down. Let's go to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Time to go to bed. Time to go to bed. Be careful. Be careful. Come here, please. Come here, please. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Let's take a bath. Let's take a bath. Can I help you? Can I help you? Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. I love you. I love you. Where is your backpack? Where is your backpack? Do your homework. Do your homework. Put your things away. Put your things away. We are going to shopping. We are going to shopping. Please say thank you. Please say thank you. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Wait for me. Wait for me. Let's play outside. Let's play outside. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Time to go home. Time to go home.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm
You did a great job.
E-I-E-I-O.
You did a great job.
Hum hum here and a hum hum there. Here a hum, there a hum, everywhere a hum hum. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Go wash your face.
E-I-E-I-O.
Go wash your face.
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some bees. E-I-E-I-O.
You need to share.
With a buzz buzz
You
here and a
need
buzz
to
buzz
share.
there. Here a buzz, there a buzz, everywhere a buzz buzz. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old
Can you open the door? Can you open the door? Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Let's clean the room together.
On that farm
Let's clean the room together.
bees. E-I-E-I-O. With a buzz buzz
That's not
here
safe.
and a buzz buzz there.
That's not
Here a
safe.
buzz, there a buzz, everywhere a buzz buzz. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Let's take a walk.
E-I-E-I-O.
Let's take a walk.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
You need to listen.
Farm he
You need to listen.
E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba
Finish your vegetable, please.
there, here a
Finish your vegetable, please.
ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
You have to wait your turn. You have to wait your turn.
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had
Let's clean up your dinner. Let's clean up your dinner.
with a hee-haw here and a hee-haw there. Here a
It's raining.
hee, there
Grab an umbrella.
there a hee-haw.
It's raining. Grab an umbrella.
Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
You're very smart. You're very smart.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
It's okay to make mistakes.
On that farm
It's okay
he
to make
had
mistakes.
donkeys. E-I-E-I-O. With a hee-haw
You're a good
here
friends.
and a hee-haw
You're a good
there.
friends.
Here a hee, there a hop, everywhere a hee-haw. Old MacDonald had a
Let's pack
farm.
your school bag. Let's pack your school bag.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm
Can you
he had
turn
some
the
cows.
page?
E-I-E-I-O.
Can you turn the page?
Moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.